All right, and let's go ahead and finish up the Unit 1 test by taking a look at page number 3. Page number 3 has 4 multiple choice questions on it, makes it worth 4 points. And number 15, one of the tougher problems on here, and what made this tough is there's no picture. So I want to take a look at a picture here. So it says if angle ABC is bisected. So let me start with this angle here. All right, here's an angle, and it's called angle ABC, so I'll put a point on there, A. Vertex is B, C. And it says that it is bisected, so that means it is cut in half. So if I'm going to cut this thing in half with BD, so there's Ray, let's put a D on there. And then it says that the measure of angle DBC, so DBC down here, this is 19 degrees. When you think about what it's asking for, it wants us to find ABD. So it wants us to find this angle here that you see highlighted in black. Well, by the word bisect, the word bisect means to cut in half. So if the bottom half is 19, the top half has to be 19. So the answer is A, 19 degrees. Number 16, this is a construction. Let's know which one of these is an angle bisector. Cutting an angle in half. If you look at A is making a equilateral triangle. You don't know that construction yet. B is duplicating or replicating an angle. C is bisecting an angle. There's your answer. The answer is C. And D is creating a perpendicular through a point not on a line. So if you're wondering what the other constructions were there. Question number 17. Okay, scroll down. It says which of the following is the correct construction created to the right? And that is creating a perpendicular from a point not on a line. So it is this choice down here, which is the second choice B. We have an A, a B, and a D. But it is a perpendicular from a point. Some people say, well, isn't it a perpendicular bisector? No, because you're not cutting anything in half. That's a line. It's infinite in both directions. It can't be copying a segment because there is no segment. You have a line up there. And then the last one, question number 18, says for which of the following shows only the first step in constructing the line perpendicular to AB that passes through point P. And the very first step, as we talked, was find 2 points that are equidistant from the point that is given. So that has to be choice D. So that would be the first thing that I would do. The second thing that I would do once I found those two, then make sure that you put your compass on one of those 2 endpoints that you find. Make sure you go at least halfway past P, and then start your arcs and see where they cross. It would look kind of like B, and then you would go ahead and connect those 2 to create that perpendicular. But the first step would be choice D. So this page only worth 4 points. Hope you guys found these videos helpful, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a great night, guys.